Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install a custom recovery on your Nokia 8. Okay, so as you can see I have the Nokia 8 and we're gonna do everything. Before we begin, let's quickly set up our phone. I'm gonna do it without anything. Of course, if your phone's already set up, you don't need to do anything. I'm gonna set up it real quick just so I can later actually go through everything. I'll need to, in the system, go to the settings, go to system, go to about phone and read to things. So go to the model and hardware and write down your model name. I'm gonna unplug the cable because it's sort of disrupting me. Okay, so there's model and hardware. Read that, write it somewhere down, and also the serial number. It is worth writing it down somewhere because we'll need it. And at first we'll need to unlock the bootloader. In order to unlock the bootloader, you'll need to use your computer. You need to go to our website, HardReset.Info, then go to download and search for Nokia. Once you find it, download these drivers, Nokia HMD smartphone drivers. Now, once you have them downloaded, also go to ADB. Type in ADB and search for mini ADB and Fastboot with drivers. Once you have those two files downloaded, you'll see them like that, and right click on them, then click on extract all. So right click on one of them, then extract it, right click on the other one, click on extract all. They will be both extracted. Go to Nokia HMD, install the driver, basically open the application, click on next a few times, it'll be installed. On Android Fastboot, there's 3 files, install all of them. There's ADB setup. Here you just need to click on Y and enter, wait a moment, then Y and enter. And that's basically it. The other ones are pretty simple, just click on next a few times. Now you'll have the Fastboot drivers, so we can begin to unlock our bootloader. To do it, you'll need to go to a website linked in the description down below, or if it's not linked in the description down below, then it is hikaricalyx.com, HIKARI, one more time, HIKARICALYX.com. Now go to HMD Nokia device service, click on get started and go to proceed anyway. Now if you can see the model of your phone, in my case the Nokia TA1004, then it's great. You need to find it somewhere on the list. If you can't see it, then you won't be able to continue. I mean, if it's not listed, click on no, it's not listed, but I think it's like it has a different method. I'm using the method for Nokia 8 because that's what the video is about. Now let's get to here. Enter your email address. As well as the serial number of your phone. I'm gonna copy it. Okay, let's agree. Complete the puzzle like that. And then click on submit. Now you're gonna get the download. Click on download mega, and now you'll find this folder. Get this file. Simply click on 3 dots here, download, standard download. And you'll have it like that. Right click on it and click on extract all. Now I have already moved the file, so I'm gonna extract it again. I'm gonna rename it so it's just a simpler name, but you don't need to rename it. I'm gonna go into that and extract what's within because I've just downloaded it differently. So let's extract all again. Okay. contains half a gigabyte. Now I'm gonna rename it Nokia bootloader unlock, whatever, just without spaces, and it's best to move it to your local disk C. So it works. It may not work if it's in a different location. So let's get it to local disk C. Now open the HCTSW care. The name of the file that is basically listed here. You can see. Start unlocking. Here is the name of the file that you should open. So let's open that app. I'm gonna close all the other windows of the terminal that I have, and now we need to connect our phone in the bootloader, in the Fastboot mode, in the download mode. To do it, shut your phone down by pressing and holding on the power button, then tapping on power off. Get a cable ready. Make sure it's already connected to your computer, not yet to your phone. Now start pressing and holding on volume down, and while doing so, plug in the cable. Your phone will boot into download mode. It will appear as download mode at the top. Now click on Y on your keyboard and wait a little moment. You can see it is unlocking our bootloader right now. Yeah, it is doing everything. Now you need to use the volume down button to go to unlock the bootloader and click on the power button to approve. Now disconnect the cable, keep pressing volume down, and reconnect the cable and keep pressing volume down until you get to download mode again. So it may take a little moment. Just keep pressing. Okay, we are in the download mode again. It's checking the unlock status. Now it's asking us whether we want to root our phone. Click on N because we don't really need to do that. And I think it should already be done. So I think we can do everything, although the phone didn't restart itself. So what I'm gonna do is simply open CMD, go to search, open CMD, and type in Fastboot Reboot, like that, and your phone is restarting. Now let's wait a moment. We're just gonna see if the phone functions correctly. After unlocking the bootloader, and we're gonna flash it with the custom recovery. Now, if you have the same model as me, which is TA1004, then you can install the files that are linked in the description down below. So I think that is going to be pretty useful. But of course, if you can't get these files for whatever reason, because you have a different version of the system, don't worry about it. You'll for sure find some files on the internet out there. Yeah, I have these files here. You see the Nokia, there's custom recovery. I'm gonna go into that. And now we are sharing different files here. I'll quickly explain what they do. So the IMG files, the disk image files, are if you're installing the custom recovery, if you don't have custom recovery currently. And there are two different versions shared by us of TWRP, which is the most common custom recovery, but there's also an OrangeFox if you'd like to try that out. The zip files, on the other hand, are if you're switching from some other custom recovery that you already have. So if you already have a custom recovery, let's say TWRP 3.4.0, and want to switch to OrangeFox, you can get the zip file. Now, you can just choose whatever you like. I'm gonna select this TWRP, right? Right. Now all you need to do is boot your phone into download mode again. So press and hold on the power button, tap on turn off, unplug the cable, press and hold on volume down. While doing so, plug in the cable, and you are in the download mode now. Now all you need to do is right click here in the folder. So we are in the custom recovery folder that you can download from the link if you have TA1004 Nokia 8, and then open in terminal. And now type in Fastboot flash boot and the name of the file. So in my case, it's gonna be TWRP-3.5 point something. I know that from now on the name's unique. No other file is repeating, so I'm just gonna click on tab key. It should finish it for me. It didn't. Okay, it did. Of course, I need to select whether it's IMG or zip. Of course, I'm getting IMG because I don't have a custom recovery now. And yeah, that is basically how you can do it. Let's simply click on enter now. And it's finished. Now go to type in Fastboot reboot and start pressing the volume up button. Just keep pressing it to get to the recovery screen. Okay, now we are in TWRP recovery. This is how it looks like. Let's swipe to allow modifications, and now you are here. Of course, before you start using the phone, you will need to do the wipe setup. So basically go to wipe, format data, type in yes, approve it, go back, go through a few things more, advanced wipe. In the wipe option, let's wipe the Dalvik, the system, data, whatever, everything basically. Maybe besides the last two, they don't really matter that much, I think. And now we can go back, reboot, system, swipe to reboot. I think I have no OS installed, so I may be unable to do it. I don't really know. We'll see. Press on the power to continue. But yeah, that's basically how you use the custom recovery. If you actually want to install a custom ROM, then there is a video about it. There are links in the description down below, so feel free to simply watch the video on our channel to know how to do everything. And yeah, I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.